Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the topic trigonometry, the part 1 of that. It is from the topic that is the pre-calculus. So in pre-calculus we have this one, that is the algebra and the trigonometry. So we'll start with the trigonometry part. So now here let us see first what is the pre-calculus in short. So pre-calculus, actually it is a mathematical course. That means it acts as a foundation for calculus. Means you should know pre-calculus before starting the calculus. So now the two main topics that are included in this pre-calculus, they are, as I told you, that is the algebra and trigonometry. So now let us see something. Today we are not going to see the examples, but something, the introduction of the trigonometry, the formulas, the base formulas which are frequently used, and so on. So now what is trigonometry here? That is, it relates the sides of a right angle triangle. You know this is a right angle triangle. So here this is 90 degree and this is the angle, this is called as theta. So here this is the hypotenuse over here. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent over here. So now this, here we can say that trigonometry relates to the sides of a right angle triangle to its angles using the trigonometric ratios. The trigonometric ratios like sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. These are the six trigonometric main trigonometric ratios. So here which are actually the angles which are used, the commonly used angles here will be 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So here what we can say, the angle per measure, that is totally, that is that will be trigonometry. So now let us see the trigonometric formulas first. So for that one, the first important one, that is the first thing here first you should know, which is used everywhere, that is the Pythagoras theorem. That is, this is the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Means now look at here. This, as I told you, this is 90 degree and this is the theta. So this is hypotenuse. So we'll take, and this is the base, and this is the perpendicular side, and that is also called this as the, this is also the height of it. So we take the square of the hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So now let us see, these are the formulas. Now we don't have to learn all. Now you should know the first part of this one. So these things are the base of it. So now you should know first this part. So sine theta is 1 by cosec theta. So cosec will be 1 by sine theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. So cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So now this, you got these six formulas how to do this one. So now let us see for here. Again we have this, whenever we have sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos a minus b, that will be sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So these four are the separate ones. What you have to remember over here. Now see here, these are the four quadrants. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the first, when we write here, this will start CAST, the cast rule. So now this C stands for, here in this quadrant, this cos is going to be positive. There are six trigonometric ratios, as I told you, right? That is sine, cos, tan, then cot, cosec and sec. So out of that, only cos will be positive over, rest are all are going to be negative. Here all are going to be positive over here in this quadrant. Here only sine, it will be sine will be positive, and here tan will be positive. Now see, now here, why did I write here and sec? Here I wrote cosec and here I wrote cot, because in this one, when here cos is nothing but 1 by sec, so even here sec is going to be positive. Now here cosec, sine is going to be 1 by cosec, so cosec is going to be positive, and tan is 1 by cot, so here cot also is going to be positive over here. And now look at here, plus and plus. Now this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, so you know the number line here all are positive, here also all are positive over here. This is x and y, so this is x, this is y, so positive, positive. Now look at here, this is x, this is x-axis, and this is y. Here all are negative, so negative and this positive. Here this is negative and this also is negative, so negative, negative. Here this is positive and this is negative, so positive, negative. So hope this also is clear to you. So now look at this. This is the right angle. So I have told you before that this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So that's the same thing I will written over here. That is opposite is side opposite to angle theta. Adjacent, how to see, that is side adjacent to angle theta. Hypotenuse is side opposite to 90 degree. Now let us see the sixth important, that is the trigonometric function and how to get it. Now see here, when it is sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is going to be adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is going to be opposite by adjacent. So now you have to remember these three. And then the rest, these are easy. That is the cosec, sec and cot. You have to just flip over. So what is cosec? Cosec is 1 by sine. So you have to flip over this one. Again, what is sec? Sec is 1 by cos. So you have to flip over this one. Now cot is 1 by 10. So you have to flip over this 10. So hope this also you got the 6 ratios. Now let us see, this table is a bit messy, but now what you have to remember this one. Now look at the rules over here first. Now see here first what you have to write from 0 to 4. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now in the second one for cosec, for cos, what are we going to do? You are going to go in the reverse order. That is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now what is the second one? You have to divide by 4. So now this you have to do, divide 0 by 4. Then third thing what you have to do, take the square root. So 0 by 4, you will take 0 by 4, you will take the square root of that, and you know that will be 0. Now I'll show the second one. So now we have 1. So this is, we have to divide by 4. That will be 1 by 4. Then you are going to take the square root of that. That will be root of 1 by 4. And then root of 1 by 4 is, you know that 4 is a perfect square. That is going to be 1 by 2. Same for here. You just look at this one. You have to follow this rule. And one more thing I'll just show here is 0 by 1. Whenever in the numerator we have 0, that is going to be 0. And 1 by 0. So in the denominator, whenever there is 0, that will be undefined. Undefined. So that is, I have written in short for undefined. So hope that is clear. Numerator means it is going to be 0. And whenever that is in the denominator means that is going to be undefined. So you can look at this one, the table. Now these are the identities. These are the main identities. This is the first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can also write this as sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, because this cos square theta, if it goes on the other side, it is going to be cos square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. Now again, this also is used commonly. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. And cot 2 theta is cot square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cot theta. So these are what you have to remember. Now again, there are sum and difference identities. See here, this is all for the sum, sin cos tan. So you can just have a look at it. Sin a plus b, cos a plus b, and tan a plus b. And these all three are for the whenever there is a negative one. Sin a minus b, cos a minus b, and tan a minus b. These all things you have to note down in your notes. And then again, there is one more, that is this also two main things what you have to remember, that is the sign laws. Sign laws means 1 by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. We are going to see the examples in the other videos. So that will be then the formulas are going to be more clear. But before that, we should have a look at the formulas and the sign laws. Now look at the sign laws. This is for whenever we have C square. So we are just going to see A, B, C first. So how to remember these formulas? C. So what is remaining? A and B. So here also A and B. And now cos C. This will be cos C. See, this is one of the technique to remember. A square. So A square means what left is B and C. So BC. And here cos A. Now for B square, what is left is A and C. So that is A square plus C square. Then this here also minus 2, here A and C. And here cos B. So by this one we have completed today's work. The examples we'll discuss in the next video. So do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.